Math 12 students, and welcome to week 6. You're doing a great job so far. Keep up the hard work. I just want to remind you about the Zoom recordings. They're available by clicking here on this link, Zoom recording links. And I tell you when I last updated it and what was contained in that video. So when you click on the link, it takes you basically to a menu with a list of all the recordings that I've made so far, and you can select the one that you want to watch, and when you click on that link, it will take you to the Zoom website where they store the videos. So week 6, we're going to scroll down, and I hope you're going to the module to see what's in the module for the week, rather than just using the calendar or a to-do list. The module is the place where I really want you to start your week so that you can see everything there is laid out. So this week, I have an opportunity for you to get 10 more getting started points. Show off your math notebook and binder now that you've been using it for 5 weeks. I'd like to see how it's going. Show me your organization and how it's working. So take enough photos that I can see your organization and submit them, or you can do a video if you have a webcam. A lot of students find the easiest way to do this is to hold their binder up and show me on their webcam. Then I want you to see these additional practice problems for Newton section 4.1. Many students find factoring out fraction negative exponents challenging. So I just offer you a few more practice problems, and if you have questions about them, you can let me know. Also know that your peer tutor, Lynette, is really good at making these up. And so if you went and spent 10 minutes with her, I bet she could just get you proficient. So it would be worth some time spent. This is an essential skill for calculus. This is a typical week. Quiz, quick quizzes, shine quiz, discussion board, and journal due. And then Newton homework. And then this looks like a lot because it's 3 sections on Tuesday and 3 sections on Friday. But notice that it's only 2 sections in the textbook. So it's really not that much. It's just divided up into smaller bites. And you can see that we're going to be working a lot on solving equations this week. So we'll solve quadratic equations by factoring using the quadratic formula. Then higher ordered equations. So this means with higher exponents. And then we have something called quadratic in form. So if you haven't seen this before, allow a little extra time for this section. Then solving radical equations, hopefully will be a refresher. And then solving other types of equations that you need to be able to solve. So that's our week. I want to just take a moment and remind you that when I'm offering you feedback on your work, it's with the most loving intent of helping you improve. So try to imagine me in my kindest voice offering you feedback and inviting you to revise and resubmit. It's not harsh. It's not meant to be judgmental. I'm always cheering for you and hoping for you to absorb the feedback and incorporate it into your work. And I love seeing progress and improvement. So that's what I'm after. Hope you have a wonderful week. There was a red-headed woodpecker in the bird feeder outside my window this morning, so that was like a gift for me. Enjoy your week.